Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to calculate the age of any person in Excel. I want to calculate the age in years, months and days. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output. Notice here, the person date of birth here, according to the person date of birth, we have calculated the age in years, months and days.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
Notice on my screen, I have an Excel sheet contains around 5 columns. First column is the name, in column A and column B is the date of birth, and column C got age in years. I want to display to calculate. After calculate, I want to display here the age in years. In D column, I want to age in months, and in E column, I want to display age in days. So just for the time saving, I have added some names and some date of birth, random date of birth. Here I will add one more date of birth is Varun 05 February 2000 February 1998, and let's put this in the center, the goal. And now let's find out, when the user clicks the tab, I want to get the age automatically here in the years, months and days of a particular name or person. So first let's calculate the age in years. So I have selected the C2 cell. The formula is equals to datedif function takes 3 parameters. The first parameter is the values. Here the value we are getting from B2 cell, because B2 cell is a date of birth cell. So I am calculating the B2 cell I have added here. Now the second parameter I am calculating with today's date. So I am adding the today method. And the third parameter takes, I want to display the age in years, so I am adding Y. That's it. See, here we got 39 years. So what I'll do is I am adding here concatenate comma years. That's it. Now select the cell C2, take the cursor to the corner of this cell. When the cursor changes to plus symbol, just drag up to wherever you want. So here we got all the ages of the persons automatically. Now the same thing I want to display in months. So instead of writing the same formula, I have selected the D2 cell and pasted here. Now here I am changing, instead of for Y I am adding M in months. Here I am adding months. That's it. So here 476 months here. Let's put this in the center. Add 18. Notice here we got in D1 cell, we got the age in months, 476 months of this person Charan. So now we'll get all the age in months. Just drag up to D9 cell. Here we got the age in months. Now we require the age in days. So the same formula, instead of Y and M, I am adding D, which displays in days. It's not here, so it's days. days. Enter. Put this in the center, put bold and 18. Now here we got the age in days. So here we got the person ages in days. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to calculate the age of any person in years, months and days. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.